guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you very much for the wonderful response that y'all gave for the previous video, which was a comparison between the lip and cheek tint by Dr. Earth and Just Herbs. So thank you again for it. Coming on to the next video, I know I'm posting it very quick and I hope I can keep this trend going. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Y'all have been doing a great job of subscribing to my channel. You can go ahead and put video ideas in the comment section what you would like me to shoot and upload for you. Getting into the video, in the month of April, like we all know, it was the festive month and I participated in an event called the Ethnic Ramp Walk, which was an online event. Now this was conducted by a wonderful Facebook group called Alagiya Tamil Magar. I have already done a live session with them and I will be posting a link of their page, and I would really request all you women there to go ahead and join the page because they have a lot of fun events, they have a lot of charity events, they have a lot of shopping options where they upload women who are entrepreneurs put up their products, and it is a very interactive group and a very strongly supporting group where everybody supports each other. Not just that, the main person, the person who has created the group, that is Sujata Subramaniam, is a very helpful lady and very encouraging. She comes up with various kind of activities which keeps the whole Facebook page alive. A few of those activities are, they have traditional dance competitions, they have solo dance competitions, they have kids ramp walk, they have fancy dress, there is elders ramp walk, and there are a variety of events basically encouraging people to come out of their comfort zones and show us all their talents, and that is a wonderful initiative. So I would tag their link in the description. Getting on to the details, I participated in this ethnic ramp walk and I ended up winning the inspirational walk title in the event, which was very beautiful and I felt very nice and encouraged. Initially, I was a little skeptical since I was at home, but Sujata encouraged me a lot and I went ahead and uploaded the video and ended up winning it. So I will be putting the video of my walk in this video, so please don't miss that out. I will be putting it in the end. Beautiful part about this event was Sujata had arranged for a lot of sponsors who could give different kind of appreciation gifts to the winners. And the gift sponsorer for the inspirational walk for the ethnic ramp walk conducted by Alagiya Tamil Magar was none other than Vishara Skincare. So initially, I didn't know much about the brand, but once I got to know that Miss Sharanya is the sponsor for my gift, I was very excited and I went ahead and checked out her page. I will be tagging her Instagram link and her Facebook page and her website in the description. Now, the best part about Vishara Skincare is it is completely homemade. So basically, all the ingredients that are used in the product are vegan, cruelty free and handmade, and that gives an amazing quality to the products, and she has a diverse range of products in her skincare. What I asked was that when I spoke to her, I asked her to come up with a surprise box for me, and it was very exciting for me to actually unbox. I will be quickly also putting in a video of the unboxing of the Vishara skincare products. Products in the unboxing, so I would just like to give a little bit of details about the products. So the first product over here that I see is the aloe vera gel, and we all know the benefits of aloe vera gel, and she has done a beautiful thing of basically writing the clear ingredients on the back, because nowadays you have a lot of problems where people don't put the complete ingredients and you have allergies and you don't know what all that is that they've added in it. But this has the ingredients on the back very clear, that says aloe vera juice, lavender essential oil. Secondly, what is very important is that all her packaging is eco-friendly. So she has glass bottles, then it is in a cardboard box, and the filling also was some dry grass, which honestly I have kept it aside as a layer for my plants outside. So let me just open this. I love the bottles. The bottles are very cute. And it's a nice thing to add lavender essence, because sometimes when you have plain aloe vera, it has a very what do you say, it has a very leafy vegetable kind of a smell to it, so a lot of people don't like it. But when you add something called lavender essential oil, what happens is that it soothes you. So already aloe vera is something that will calm you down, and it is a coolant, and during the summers it is brilliant. But mixing it with lavender oil, basically it soothes, it calms your tones because of the smell. And I just enjoy the smell. So I can, instead of using the aloe vera, I can just keep it for my hands and just keep smelling my hands, because anyways aloe vera acts as a very good moisturizer and it is natural. So the next product that I got was coconut clay cleanser. Now the ingredients are coconut milk, sandalwood, rose, turmeric, ashwagandha and clay. So basically all these ingredients are amazing if you have a combination skin that is a little bit of oily and a little bit of dry, because we basically Indian skin tones, they all are combination skins. And even if they're dry, you have something like turmeric and coconut milk that basically helps hydration of your skin tone. So it is an amazing clay cleanser. Now initially I didn't know and I was skeptical, what am I going to do with this clay cleanser, because I'm not a mask person, so I don't exactly put a face mask, sit for some time and go and rinse it and all. But the minute I saw the directions of using, I was dying to use it. So the directions is, scoop out the required amount with a dry spoon, mix it with water, gently massage on your face and neck and rinse it out. That's it. That's all that you need to do. So this can act as an amazing face wash also, because most of us are like at home right now, hardly anybody stepping out, but the heat is a lot, and so your skin tends to get very sticky and oily because of the heat, and especially living in Chennai, it gets crazily hot. So this will act as an amazing cleanser, face wash when you're having a bath, because you don't need to repeatedly use it. And the uses of it is also clearly mentioned. Is, like I said, it removes dirt, impurification, cleans pores, helps in maintaining oil balance. That's what I was mentioning, that coconut milk and turmeric and all these ingredients help you to hydrate your skin. Even rose hydrates your skin. And also that it is suitable for normal and combination skin, and oily skin also it will be amazing. So let us open it and smell it. Oh, this also has an amazing fragrance, because all these natural ingredients, they smell so amazing if they are naturally used. Once you use them like in form of an artificial fragrance, then you end up just like having a very strong fragrance which gives you a headache at the end. Then the next product that I got is, this is something that I would recommend that a lot of people buy, because we all are working in the houses because of the lockdown being on and off, and after working in the kitchen or working doing sweeping, mopping and all that, you get tired and you can't go to a spa, you can't go to a parlor. Not advisable. I would myself not advise anybody to visit a parlor or a spa at this point of time till the whole COVID is handled. So this is what is your spa at home. So this is a wonderful thing that she has. It's called Salt Foot Soak. So if you see on her website, you'll get to know a lot of details, but let me just quickly read the ingredients. So it has Himalayan pink salt, then it has Epsom salt, rosemary, thyme, lavender, calendula, rose and essential oil of mint. Then, yeah, coming to the directions of use. Now this, I don't even need to read the directions, I know how it works. So basically you just get a bucket of lukewarm water, fill it with a little bit of it, you don't need to like half fill it or something. Mix a little bit of this in that and put your feet, and man, it is a spa. It gets rid of this mild pain that you have in your soul because you're tired. So your souls, when your body gets tired, your soul has got this very mild pain, that is a discomfort pain. So all that goes away with it, and warm water again makes you soothe down. Now this has got, if you can see, there are proper petals. I hope I'm not dropping them. So there are these proper petals. So when these petals fall in the water, oh man, it's heaven. And plus the essential oil is mint. So mint basically makes you feel fresh. Mint, even if you chew a mint, you become fresh. When you smell mint, you become fresh. So this has got that very strong peppermint flavor, where if you give it to some child, they might just eat it up thinking that it is a bubble gum. So this is that amazingly rejuvenating, and this is something like a must buy in her page. Then there is something that she sent me, which initially I was a little skeptical when I saw her page because I felt, oh, it's a moisturizer and it's like any other moisturizer. But no, I was wrong. So this is the foot salve. The ingredients are coconut oil, sesame oil, ghee, shea butter, bee wax, neem, aloe vera, sandalwood, clove, sarajasara, sariva. See, I'm not even pronouncing it right. Vitamin E, manjishti, and essential oil of mint. So it has all these ingredients. Okay, you can read it when you go to the website. You smell it, it smells amazing. Now, like you have seen, I've already started using it. So what happened is, when this arrived, my husband was having this slight tweaking in his ankle, and he was like, why don't you just give me a mild massage? And I thought, okay, I could find this handy, it had just come, so I started to rub it on his ankle. The surprising part is, within 10 minutes of rubbing on his ankle, he started to feel very relaxed. And when I started to use this, even though it looks like a butter, when you apply it, it melts so beautifully on your hands, and it doesn't feel sticky at all like any other moisturizer would feel. Along with that, like any other moisturizer, it just does not evaporate in air, it is there. So let me just give you a small example. So here, I'm taking this and I'm rubbing it in between my fingers. So when you rub it, what happens is, there is a nice warmth that is created. And I don't know if you know about it, but in ancient times or in the olden times, what they used to do is, if you are during the summers and during hot days, in the evening, what they would do is, they would take an iron bowl, a small iron bowl, and they would apply a little ghee on your foot sole, and they would rub the iron on the sole of your feet, basically getting rid of all the heat that is in your body, and it helps you to again rejuvenate. It is like an Indian spa. So now that culture has somehow just drained out, because I don't know, people think that it is just an old tradition, but as such, it does give you a lot of relief. At the same time, it gives you a lot of soothingness to your skin, and it keeps your skin hydrated, your soles don't get cracked, and it is very good for your body. So see, if you can see now, there is hardly anything on my hands, but it has a sheen, it has a ghee and coconut oil sheen to it, and the sesame oil, and it smells also very, very herbal. So this is something that is used a lot by me. I know it is a foot soap, but sometimes I just rub it to my hands also, because it's just an amazingly beautifully textured moisturizer that I've ever come across. It is not sticky, it doesn't evaporate like something which has alcohol, or it doesn't it just gives you the right hydration for your feet and for your hands or anything. So basically, the process is that this is a full spa process. So what you do is, you basically soak your feet in the salt, and after you have soaked your feet, you wipe it dry, and you apply this at night, and then you go off to bed, and next day morning you don't wake up, because you're already rejuvenating. You just take the day off. And saying that, it was very sweet of her to send me 2 lovely cute baby soaps. So this is a honey soap, and this is a cucumber aloe vera combination soap, and they smell exactly what their ingredients are. So this smells honey, and this smells mint and cucumber combination. So like I told you in the beginning of the video, this is amazing because you can smell every ingredient that is used. So you know it for a fact that nothing is artificial in any of the products. So the products are completely hygienic for any skin types. I would recommend this product for teenage girls who are like getting into the whole maturity skin phase, and they want to try all these different skincare that you get in the market, like face masks and moisturizers and face creams. For them, if they opt for these natural products right now, it'll be good for their skin in the long run. Because what mistake we did as young kids was that we jumped into the cosmetic world without realizing that world was something that we should have gone into eventually in life. And because of our healthy food, we were saved. But nowadays, the food also that you get is not very healthy. So for teenage girls, I would recommend these products. You can visit their Instagram page. Miss Charanya is extremely helpful, extremely. Just one message on Instagram and she will help you with anything that you ask for, and she will guide you through the products also. You can ask her for suggestions for your skin type or for your hair, and she will help you with whatever you want to pick out of her page. So, Vishara Skincare, thank you very much. I am in love with them already and wait for my next order to come. That I would like to put my video, the ramp walk video where I won in the end, and I would really appreciate if all you guys go ahead and have a look at the Adagiya Tamil Magal page and participate in all these kind of fun activities, because this is what keeps you going through these tough times. Stay at home, stay safe, and try to stay happy, positive, and bring the best out of you, because that is what is going to sail us through this tough patch. So keep smiling.
സുന്ദരി നീയും സുന്ദരം ഞാനും ചേർന്നിരുന്നാൽ തിരുവോണം.
സുന്ദരം നീയും
எல்லோருக்கும் இனிய தமிழ் புத்தாண்டு நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.